compilation and collection of Quran, complete in the lifetime of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, done by himself, by none else, under the orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then it was collected in the form of a book for the first time during the caliphate of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala. And then an agreed script was, decided in the times of the caliphate of Hazrat Usman radiallahu ta'ala anhu. And it must be noted that even this final act, it was accomplished within a quarter of a century after the death of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Not that 2 or 3 centuries had passed, no. Because, after the death of the Prophet, 2.5 years nearly, caliphate of Abu Bakr, 10 years, the caliphate of Hazrat Umar, and 12 years, caliphate of Hazrat Usman. If you join all the figures together, still the quarter of a century is not complete. And maybe that before his death, before his martyrdom, some years before that, this feat might have been accomplished. So I should say that within 20 years after the death of the Prophet ﷺ, this agreed text was also prepared, and this is the agreed text that we have with us by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.